Hello, we're back to coding. I want to talk about recursion. Recursion is basically a loop that repeats itself instead of being a for or while iteration. Recursion basically acts upon itself by using if or else statements depending on what the inputs of the values are. So I'm trying to do multiplication here. In this case, I want to multiply two numbers, but they can't be zero. In that case, 0 would be returned. Otherwise, it does a recursion like a for loop on itself by subtracting the other number and adding that to the original number until there's none left, and the output is reported. So let's do this. Let me just type it in. All right, let's put a first number. We're going to say 15. Next number, I'm going to say 13. And what do we have? 195, and that matches. So yeah, and it also has these first 5 up there, and they do match. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 4 is 28, 2 times 0 is 0, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, and 10 times 6 is 60, and 15 times 13 is 95. All right. I hope you got the gist of that, because now we're going to do the next thing on here, which is recursion of string. Okay, here we basically have a similar process. The user inputs their string, and it does a recursion for reversing the string. For example, but if there's nothing in the string, it just returns the blank string. Otherwise, it goes from the next item and then adds the first item along to it after the end, repeating from last to first until there's none left, based on that return reverse statement. All right, let's say Funky Dixieland, and it's gonna print that out exactly in reverse. Yeah, it's a fun time. I just love how the reverse method ends up working. It's pretty darn cool. Recursion is a little complex, but once you understand how the loops work, it's fun. Have a good day.